Short video on how to reset your service now button on the Skoda Yeti. First of all, put your hazard indicators on. Press this button and then turn the ignition on. And it's saying reset service, are you sure? You press that button. It says on the little screen, reset service, are you sure? Okay. So then you just press that button and it goes to service reset. So now turn the ignition off. Turn the ignition on and no service light. And if I've helped one person by making this video, then I'm very happy. Thank you for watching.